was a great experience for me, meeting people from all around the world, from Mexico, from Turkey, from Brussels, from France, from Cameroon, from so many different countries. And it's the beauty of this kind of conferences. Besides, we are learning so many things from the field of applied sciences. We are meeting different people from different backgrounds, and we can networking and discussing and making very good network and friends all around the world within 2 days.